Hey there, fellow Uber drivers. If you're watching this, you're probably frustrated because your Uber driver app isn't working as it should in 2025. Don't worry. I'm here to help you get back on the road quickly and easily. Whether it's crashing, freezing, or just not loading, these fixes are straightforward and effective. Let's dive right in. First off, the most common reason for app issues is a simple connectivity problem. Start by checking your internet connection. Make sure you're on a stable Wi-Fi network or have strong cellular data. If your signal is weak, try moving to a better spot or restarting your router. Next, a quick restart can work wonders. Close the Uber app completely, then force restart your phone or tablet. This clears temporary glitches and refreshes the system. On an iPhone, double-click the home button and swipe up. On Android, go to recent apps and swipe away the Uber icon. Now, let's talk updates. Apps like Uber get regular updates for better performance. Head to your App Store, Google Play or Apple App Store, and check if there's a new version available. If there is, download and install it right away. Outdated apps are a major culprit for bugs in 2025. If that doesn't fix it, try clearing the app's cache. On Android, go to Settings, Apps, Uber, Storage, Clear Cache. For iOS users, this might involve offloading the app or resetting settings, but be cautious as it could log you out. Remember, always back up your data first. If you're still having trouble, consider reinstalling the app. Uninstall Uber from your device, then download it fresh from the App Store. This removes any corrupted files and gives you a clean start. Before you do, make sure to note your login details. Lastly, if none of these steps work, it's time to reach out to Uber support. They have a dedicated help center in the app or on their website where you can report the issue. Provide details like your device type and the error message for faster resolution. There you have it. Simple steps to fix your Uber driver app in 2025. By following these, you'll be picking up rides in no time. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Safe driving, everyone. Drive on.